Welcome YouTube channel, welcome to Play Movies. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter, the ultimate off-road machine built for adventure seekers. Toyota has taken its legendary mid-size truck and pushed it to the next level, designing it specifically for overlanding with rugged capability and cutting-edge features. The 2025 Tacoma Trailhunter stands out with its aggressive styling and robust construction. It comes equipped with a high-clearance steel front bumper, integrated recovery points, and LED off-road lights that enhance visibility in extreme conditions. The bold grille design, unique Trailhunter badging, and exclusive skid plates make it clear that this truck is built to conquer the wild. Under the hood, Toyota offers a powerful iForce Max hybrid powertrain, delivering an impressive combination of horsepower and torque. The advanced hybrid system ensures strong performance both on and off the road while improving fuel efficiency. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the Trailhunter is ready for any challenge. Whether it's climbing steep trails or cruising on highways, suspension is a key highlight of the Trailhunter, featuring Old Man Emu shocks tuned specifically for off-road durability. With an enhanced ground clearance and improved articulation, the Tacoma Trailhunter can handle rough terrains with ease. Toyota also includes an advanced multi-terrain select system, crawl control, and an electronically locking rear differential to tackle sand, mud, and rocky landscapes effortlessly. Inside, the cabin blends rugged durability with modern comfort. The Trailhunter features a premium interior with leather-trimmed seats, a 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium JBL sound system. The digital driver display provides essential vehicle data, while multiple USB ports and a wireless charging pad keep devices powered during long adventures. Toyota has integrated advanced safety and driver assistance features, including Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0. This suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, providing drivers with added confidence in both urban and off-road environments. The Trailhunter is designed for overlanders who love extended adventures. It comes equipped with a factory-installed bed rack system, integrated onboard air compressor, and a high-output alternator to support extra accessories like refrigerators and lighting. The truck bed is reinforced and features a 2,400-watt power outlet, perfect for camping gear and other off-road essentials. With its bold design, advanced hybrid powertrain, and off-road focused features, the 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter is built to take on the toughest trails and deliver an unforgettable driving experience. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or an overlanding explorer, this truck is ready for your next journey. Stay tuned to Play Movies for more updates on the latest vehicles, reviews, and in-depth features. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. See you in the next video.